Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Hi, Pocky. Do you have an egg for me today? Thanks, Pocky. What's inside? It's a carved elephant. What's inside the elephant? Can you see in there? It's a baby elephant. Today we're going to create something using origami with this paper. Fold the paper diagonally and fold it diagonally again, and then turn it over and fold it long ways and long ways again. And then it can be collapsed into a big triangle. Fold the front flap up like this, and then repeat on the other side. Then turn it over and fold the flaps up like you did on the other side. Now you have a small diamond shape. Fold the outer corner in to meet the middle and repeat on the other side. Then turn it over, fold the outer corner to the middle and repeat on the other side. So now you just made some pockets that you can tuck the loose ends into. So tuck each of the 4 loose ends that you made into the pockets. And now you have a hole on one end. You can blow air into the hole. And now it's a water bomb. I don't think you can actually put water in it though, but it is pretty nifty.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Please press the like button below this video and share with your friends. Have a lovely day.